Good day, dear viewers. Today, we will tell you about the new A2Z Pelican drone, which has just been introduced by A2Z Drone Delivery Company. A2Z Pelican is a unique drone that can safely deliver goods to hard-to-reach places and over long distances. Its hybrid VTOL design without control surfaces makes it reliable and stable in flight. But what else makes A2Z Pelican special? One of the main features of A2Z Pelican is its simple but robust design, which significantly increases the time between technical maintenance. The absence of ailerons, elevator, and rudder has made the drone easier to maintain and repair. An important advantage of A2Z Pelican is the low cost of operating expenses for delivery, only 13 cents per kilogram per kilometer. This significantly reduces delivery costs compared to traditional methods. For delivering goods to hard-to-reach places, A2Z Pelican has a winch mechanism. This allows for safe delivery of goods at high altitude and reduces the risk of damage during delivery. A2Z Drone Delivery Company, the manufacturer of the new A2Z Pelican drone, is one of the leaders in the market of commercial drone delivery solutions. It provides its services in several countries, collaborating with large companies and organizations. One example of A2Z Drone Delivery's successful work using its drones is delivering medicines to hard-to-reach areas in Africa. Thanks to A2Z Pelican, medicines are delivered quickly and reliably, which contributes to improving the health and quality of life of many people. In addition, A2Z Drone Delivery is working on developing new drone technologies that can expand their functionality and application in various fields, such as agriculture and construction. However, in addition to its advantages, the use of drones for delivery also has its limitations and raises certain questions related to safety, confidentiality, and environmental issues. Despite this, A2Z Drone Delivery continues to work on improving its products and services to provide more efficient and reliable solutions for its customers.